In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to rename notes. Right, so as you can see that now I'm in the Note app and I have a note here and it's called new 216, and I have a section called things to do and a page week 1. So it's quite easy to rename the section by right clicking and then rename section. You can just put whatever that you want and then hit OK. Similarly, you can select the page and then from here you can change the name as you want. Alright, so that's pretty easy. The problem is when you want to rename notebooks and right click on one of our notebooks, nothing is appearing. There is no menu here to rename. So in that case, you have to go to your OneDrive and have to rename from there. Books, just click here on App Launcher. From here, go to OneDrive and then Files. So here you will have all the files, including the files in notebooks. Find notebooks, click here, and from there you will have all the files that have been saved here in this drive. So let's say I want to rename this new 26. Right click on that, rename, and then you can write whatever you want to write and just click update. So let's say I want to call it 27, update. So now when you go back to here, we'll see that our page has been renamed new 27. So friends, this is how you simply can rename your notebooks in OneNote.